Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the maintenance required light on your Toyota Corolla. This light is simply a reminder that your vehicle is due for a routine service, often appearing every 5,000 miles. It's not an indicator of a serious problem, but rather a helpful prompt. You can easily reset this light yourself in just a few simple steps, saving you a trip to the service center. Let's get started. First, get into your Corolla and insert the ignition key. Turn it to the on position, which is usually the second click, but do not start the engine. This activates your car's electrical system. Next, check your odometer display. Make sure it shows your vehicle's total mileage, not trip A or trip B. If it's on a trip meter, simply press the odometer button to cycle through until you see the total mileage. Now for the core of the reset process. Turn your ignition key completely to the OFF position. With the key off, locate your odometer trip reset button, usually found near the odometer display. Press and firmly hold this button down. While continuously holding the trip reset button, turn your ignition key back to the on position, again without starting the engine. Keep that button pressed. Continue holding the odometer trip reset button for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. During this time, you will observe the maintenance required light flashing. After a few moments, it will turn off, and your odometer display should show a series of zeros. Once this happens, you can release the button. Congratulations, your maintenance light is now successfully reset, and you are good to go for your next 5,000 miles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.